It's a common problem for some, grinding their teeth while they sleep at night. But these two innovators have come up with something that might help many. For Andrea Morris, the proof is in the pudding, or rather the putty impression put into a reality.
Usually you're only putting 30 to 50 pounds of pressure when you chew. During bruxism, when you're grinding, it's up to 300 pounds of pressure. And so you can imagine that can fracture teeth, it causes changes in your bone.
She soon set in motion a series of events and inquiries, an Arch grant, a patent, and an FDA approval and proof of concept. That's a game changer that you stick in your cheek.
What it does is you actually slip it in your cheek, and it has this functional aspect that actually sits behind your molars. When you bite down, you hit this area behind your teeth, and so you're not actually closing your teeth together. With more and more force, it senses that you're chewing on soft tissue, not on your teeth, and so it eventually, helps with stopping this, and rather than just protecting your teeth.
Your brain doesn't say bite harder; it says let's stop doing that.
Exactly, yeah.
I just really enjoy problem solving, and so when she brought to me essentially a problem that needed to be solved, I was like, yeah, I can figure out a way to digitize that. I can figure out a way to print that. I think that would be a cool thing to do.
They're the first of their kind, offering this individualized 3D scanning Rhymvia at Hilltown Dental. Modern dentistry making inroads into oral solutions and helping others sleep more soundly at night. In Chesterfield, Patrick Clark, Fox 2 News.